Hello everyone, my name is Ogi. In this video, I will be walking you through all the steps to secure a work visa for Austria. I will cover everything from the types of visas available to the best industries to work in. Whether you are looking to start a new career or simply want to explore life in the heart of Europe, you are in the right place. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore how you can turn your Austrian dream into a reality. And hopefully you will stay around to the end because I have got an insider tips that could make your application process a whole lot smoother. Let's start with why Austria should be at the top of your list if you are considering working abroad. Austria is not just about breathtaking landscapes and rich history. No, it is also a country with a strong economy and a growing demand for skilled workers. In fact, there are currently about 174,700 job vacancies across various sectors in Austria. One of the driving factors behind this demand is Austria's aging population. This demographic shift means there are increasingly opportunities for people from all around the world, including Asia, Africa, and beyond, to come and work in Austria. Listen to something I think that might catch your attention. The minimum wage in Austria is 8,500 per month. I think this is a solid foundation for building a comfortable life in one of Europe's most livable countries in 2004. But that is not all. One of the major advantages of living and working in Austria is that it is a part of Schengen Zone. What does that mean for you? Well, with an Austrian work visa, you will have the freedom to travel visa-free across 26 other European countries like Belgium, Croatia, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. For example, imagine this. You could be working in Austria during the week and exploring the streets of Rome or Barcelona on the weekend, all without the hassle of additional visas. It is not just a job opportunity, rather many more gateway to explore the best of Europe. Now, let's talk about the different types of work permits available for non-European citizens in Austria. Austria offers several options for work permits depending on your qualifications and the type of work you are aiming for. I have with me here 6 different types of work permits. 1, restricted work permit. This is valid for 1 year, and it is usually the first step for those just starting out in Austria. Second, standard work permits. This one is valid for 2 years and offers a bit more stability. The third one, unrestricted work permit. If you are looking for long-term stability, this permit is valid for 5 years. 4, red, white, red card. This is perfect for highly qualified workers and skilled workers in shortage occupations. The fifth one, EU blue card. This is tailored for highly skilled non-EU citizens, offering many of the same benefits as the red, white, red card. Finally, the sixth one, job seeker visa. This visa allows you to enter Austria and search for job for up to 6 months. It is also renewable as long as you have found a job. Remember, all these visas are renewable, so you have the opportunity to extend your stay and continue your career in Austria. Before I proceed, please, I want to clarify something important. While I am here to provide you with all the information you need to make informed decisions, please, I want you to know that I do not offer jobs or visas. I am not an immigration agent, neither do I give job. My goal is to find valuable information that can benefit you, my subscribers, and present it in a way that is very easy to understand. What are the types of jobs that are currently in demand in Austria? The country is looking for workers in several key areas. 1, hospitality industry. If you have experience as a waiter, cook, or butcher, there are plenty opportunities for you. The second one, healthcare sector. Austria is in need of nursing assistants, doctors, and other healthcare professionals. The third, technology. IT specialists are highly looked after, especially in today's digital age. They are also in Austria's shortage occupation list. The fourth one, finance. Accountants and other finance professionals are also in demand. Fifth, manual labor. There is a strong need for skilled workers like stonemasons, mechanics, drivers, electricians, and many more. Here are the places you can find job. Websites like Indeed, Stepstone, Career, LinkedIn, and many more. These are all great places to start. Make sure you search for vacancies that align with your skills and professional experience. Also note that it is important before you start applying to prepare a solid CV and cover letter and make sure that they are in European CV format. This will increase your chances of standing out to potential employers. If you have successfully secured a job offer, Now it is time to apply for the visa. The documents you will need are: 1. A valid passport for at least 6 months remaining before expiration. 2nd, a recent passport photo. 3rdly, a job offer from an Austrian employer. 4th, proof of accommodation in Austria. 5th, health insurance coverage. 6th, birth and marriage certificate if applicable. 7th, a police clearance certificate. 8th, proof of visa fee payment. 9th, vocational training or university certificate, whichever that is applicable to you. The work visa fees are €150 for adults and €75 for each child. Once you have gathered all the required documents, you are now ready to submit your application and take the next step towards your new life in Austria. And that is it for today's video. Austria offers an incredible opportunity for those looking to start a new chapter in their lives, with a range of job options, a high standard of living, and chance to explore Europe like never before. Please, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel to grow. And if this is your first time here, or if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to do that. I've got so many content coming your way on living and working abroad. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.